Hi folks, welcome back. I'm Lynn with PFM Arts. So this is box number 2. If you tuned in last week, I opened up box number 1, and I'll just pop in a little insert over here showing the 3 boxes that I got. So let's get into this box. $5 at Michael's. Let's see what I got. All right, hopefully this doesn't avalanche, but it might. All right, slight avalanche. Okay, not too bad. All right. Let me turn this so I can see what in the world I'm doing. And I'll get something to weight down the top a little bit. Is that going to work? Yep. Okay. Perfect. Here we go. First item. You guys saw these last week. These are the felt pieces. And there's 2 designs in here. There are 5 in each of the designs. But wait, there's more. All right, so these are cool. I'll probably, like I said last time, I'll probably make some kind of springtime craft out of this to sell at the craft fairs. I think that would be good. Wow, look at all this. Okay, let me zoom back out just a little bit. Okay, here we go. All right, creativity for kids. All right, corner creature bookmarks. I got these last time as well. And I said last time in the video that we do a lot of things with Toys for Tots, so I'm just going to donate that. So basically, with this craft, you just make, they give you the stuff to make origami on here, and you just make the little corner pockets, and you have all the little items in here to include a glue stick. So that's really cute. What else do we have? Wait a minute, is this another one? Yep, that's another one. Really cute. Another donation. That's cute. Oh, I got this last time too. These are the paint a rock kits, and you even get your own 5 stones in here. So this is actually a little bit heavy, but it's really cute. It's a cute little craft for kids to do. What else do we have? Oh, this is another origami one. All right, so I have 3 of those now. Well, in this box, I have 3 of these. I think 4 total. And then we have 4 foam flyers. Say that 5 times fast. All right, so you have the stuff in here to make 4 planes and make them fly. This is new. I didn't get one of these in the other box. So you have 4 of the foam planes in here, and then you get the plastic nose clips and the acrylic paint brushes and instructions. Okay, that's really cool. All right, so right now I have 6 of these for Toys for Tots. That's awesome. Oh, this is some more of the watercolor paint. I got that last time too. So that'll be for Toys for Tots as well. Cute. And this is a bead craft kit. Creatology, again, ages 4 and up. Originally $3.99, and you have everything inside to make the whale. I'm going to go with that's a whale, and the seahorse. That's really cute. Okay, super cute. So Toys for Tots again. What is this? Oh, that's actually a really cool piece of wall art. It's an escape. I wish I lived at the beach. We haven't moved yet. We will eventually. A couple of years. Give me time. How much was this originally? $14.99. This is made out of wood. This is actually really cute though. So I'll donate that to the thrift store that I go to, which will benefit my daughter's school system. Welcome to Paradise. This is a wooden hanging plaque thing. That would be actually really cool to paint. $4.99 for this one. That's cute. I'll probably donate that as well to the thrift store. What is this? This is clip lights. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so it's a string of lights, but then it has the like clothespins up on the top, so you can hang up your photos. You know what? I'm not going to use this in a battery box. It requires 3 AA batteries. Okay, so I'm not going to use this, but I think this would be cool for Toys for Tots. So like I said in my last video, the Toys for Tots that we work with, they actually provide toys for children up to 17 years of age. So this would actually be really awesome for an older girl to put in her bag. This was originally $14.99. I don't think it's been... No, the box got a little messed up, but it looks like it's unopened. So that's cool. All right, what do we have? Boys Rule coloring book with tattoos. Woo. That's cool. All right, so Toys for Tots for this guy as well, originally $4.99. So actually this book in and of itself was the price of this box. I don't know if I said that in the beginning of this video, but these boxes were $5 a piece. Oh, this is cute. It's a little sticky, yeah, sticky notes. Cute. Originally $2.99. And like I just said, since we have older girls in there, I believe that they would like this, even though that I really want to keep this for myself. I might keep one. We'll see. Actually, this one's kind of damaged. That means that I get to keep it, right? You see the damage in there? Yep. Just got poked a little bit. I might keep that one. I'll share it with my daughter. It'll be fine. What's this? Woo! That's awesome. So it's 2 yards in each of this fabric. That's a good deal. Look at that. Originally $14.99. So this is $30 in and of itself. This would actually look really pretty as a quilt border, depending. Yeah, I like that. All right, so I found something to keep. Is it cotton? It says cotton lawn fabric. I mean, it just kind of feels like a shiny cotton to me. Yep, whatever. Found something to keep. Yay. I'll share it with my mom. What else do we have in here? Woo! Tasty treats. What is this? All right, so this was on clearance for $2, but it was originally $9.99. I hope it's not expired. Well, I can't tell because there's that code down there. But if it tastes yucky, then I just won't eat it. Okay, but what it is it's, I don't know if you can see this on here, but you can see it in this. So it's chocolate chips, but the chocolate chips are covered with sprinkles. So that's really cool. That would actually be really awesome to put on cookies. Which, it's getting on to be cookie season. I don't know if you guys know. It's definitely cookie season for this family. All right, let's see what's in this basket. So obviously I got another basket. Originally $14.99. This one's similar. I think the other one was red, and this one has more blue in it. This is really pretty. This reminds me of a beach kind of theme. Anyway, all right. So we have a dining table. Very nice dining table for a dollhouse that we could put with our bathtub that we got last time. Okay. And does this have a price on it? No. And then we have a candle. This is a scented pillar candle. This smells like ivy trellis, I'm assuming. And it's got the flowers and the other botanicals inside. That's actually really pretty. Originally $10. What does it smell like? It's okay. It smells a little too perfumey for me. I like more of a natural scent, but it still smells good. I'll probably end up donating this to the thrift store as well for my daughter's school. What is this? What is this? Creatology gems for $2.99. Look at all these gems that are in here. Okay, I found something for me. Keeping this one. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay. What else? Sequin and gem pack from Creatology. So it's got winter snowflake things. Actually, this is perfect because I was about to put together a couple of winter kits. Winter and then Christmas, and then actually this would work for Hanukkah as well. Oh, I think I just picked up some Hanukkah paper too. Oh, that'd be awesome. Okay, very excited about this. So here's another keeper for me. Keep. Okay, what else? Oh, it's another one of these things. I really do think this would look really pretty in the middle of a wreath if you can just like think of like a wreath going out and then it's hanging in the middle, and then maybe even getting like a plastic bird to put on here. That would actually be really cute. Anyway, this was originally $5.99. So that's a good deal. I'll end up donating this as well. What else is in the basket? Oh, a bird bath. That's actually really cute for a dollhouse or a mini house. That's really cute. Okay. All right, so I'll donate that as well. Actually, I'm going to ask my daughter if she wants it. I bet she wants all these little tiny things. Actually, I should say, if my daughter watches these videos and she sees these little tiny things and she wants them, she'll let me know because then I'll know if she's been watching my videos or not. Okay, so donate. Maybe donate. Okay, candle's going to be donated. I'm just trying to make some room real quick here. And then the signs are also donate. That's cool. All right, what else do we have in here? Oh, these things are awful. The Necco wafers. These are the chocolate ones. These are probably the worst ones. But my mom absolutely loves these things. So Necco wafers from my mom. I wonder if it's expired. No, of course not. They don't expire until 2025. Can you see that? Probably not. Anyway, it says 2025 on here. April 21st, 2025. Of course not. And I think these will probably survive any type of radioactive fallout. Kind of like Twinkies. Yep, more Necco wafers. So they had these on, I guess Michael's, are, or at least my Michael's is trying to get rid of them. They were originally $2.69 and then it went on clearance rack for $1. They're like, you know what? Nobody wants these Necco wafers because they're yucky. If you like them, I'm glad for you. I don't. All right, Sour Patch Kids. Oh no, this is watermelon. I hate watermelon. All right. Well, I guess luckily for my daughter, she likes watermelon, so I will give this to her. You're welcome. Why does it have to be watermelon? Okay, what in the world is this thing? Okay, so this is a wooden, well, actually it's more like a pressboard piece of wall art, I'm assuming. And it has this, it looks like painted canvas type fabric on the top that's been smushed down with these brads. I mean, that's cute. That's not for my house. It doesn't really go with anything, so I'll donate this to the thrift store as well. I mean, it's a cute idea. It just doesn't match anything that I have. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a football thing. I don't football. I mean, that's kind of neat. It's an old football. I guess I say photograph. It's a photograph that's been printed on some kind of wood on here. But it is really pretty. I like what they did with the frame. It makes it look old and antique. This is actually the way that they made it. I don't think that's damage on here. This was originally, oh wow, $25. Look at that. Wow. That's cool. I bet the thrift store can get some money out of that. Okay, last item in this box, guys. This is going to be the most amazing thing. Actually, now that I'm looking at it, I don't think it's going to be the most amazing thing. I think it's just a bowl. Let's see. It's a bowl. I mean, it's a nice bowl. It's a very berry bowl. Originally $4.99. What is it? Are you supposed to eat out of it? It's okay. It's food safe, dishwasher safe, and microwave safe. It is really pretty. I mean, I don't need any more bowls. Or do I? I mean, this is definitely not big enough for a cereal bowl. This would be a cute little ice cream bowl. I don't know. I may or may not keep this. I might end up donating this. All right, folks. That's it for this box. I mean, this bowl in and of itself was $4.99. So this bowl was the price of the box, and I got everything that you see here, not the simplicity of patterns. I got the stuff that's in the basket. I got the things that my mom likes, and I got some donations for Toys for Tots. And for me, I got some fabric and 2 of these felt pieces. My daughter gets some Sour Patch Kids. We get some candy and some sequin and gems and some more gems. Okay. And then I'm probably going to keep this one because this one has definitely been damaged in shipment. Like stuff is poked through there. So I get this too. All right, cool. I like this one. Actually, I like the other one too because I got a lot to donate for Toys for Tots too and donate to the thrift store. This is great. Okay, so I'm on box number 2 right now. That's 4. That's 2. Box number 2. I don't have box number 4. I wish I did. So still at this point would definitely recommend this. You may find some things that you can use. You may find some things that you can donate. But definitely well worth the $5. And plus, it's really, really fun. All right, so I'm going to pop up the grand total right about here. I'm sure that it's probably close to, I'm going to guess, like $75. $75. Actually, it's probably more than that. Okay, $125. Let's see how close I am. All right, guys. Hope you come back next Friday. I'll do one more of these boxes, and then we'll get back to the next regular Fab Find Friday, unless I happen to come across some more of these boxes, because this is really fun. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.